Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and obviously from the title and the thumbnail you might have already known this video is going to be post trip skincare routine. I'd been to Gokarna. If you're following me in Instagram, then you'll definitely know that I've been posting Gokarna posts recently, and I think even vlog is already up by now. Hopefully posting that first and then this. I have hair growth all over my face and also super tanned. Oh, by the way, I got this in Gokarna, so I also had another one here. It was right here, something like this, but I got rid of it. So I thought I'll do this skincare and also wear some detanning DIY mask. I'm just gonna wear this better than a pony, so hairs are not on my face while I do skincare. It's too bulky, but okay. For the first step, where this is going to be 6 to 7 step, not like too complicated skincare I'm gonna do. So first thing, I'm just gonna wash my face with this simple refreshing facial wash. Second step is going to be shaving. I'm gonna use this. I think this is from VEGA. I got this in one of the pharmacy. I usually don't use aloe vera gel or shave it directly. I used to shave directly, but now I kind of while I'm washing my face with the same soap foam, I'm just gonna shave my face with that. I don't know if camera is going to capture. Oh yeah. Okay, I have this soap here. I mean, simple face wash. I'm just gonna just apply this. This is how the razor looks. But for sure you cannot see any hair growth here, but you will see in a bit. And also disclaimer, if this is something, I know I could have given this much earlier, if this is something that you cannot watch and disgusts you, please skip. Okay, once after that is done, once the shaving is done, it's clean, and I did dampen my face again. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off my blackheads, have it on my nose, and it's better when we use hot water, but as of now I'm not gonna use. I'm just gonna get rid of them with this tool here. It looks something like this. This is blackhead removal tool. Camera isn't capturing this mobile camera, but where there are whiteheads coming off. A lot of whiteheads. But this is from Miniso, so I'm gonna use this. I'm using this for the first time. 3 other sets. This is a stone, and this is a massager maybe, and this is like a sponge, the front, so it just kind of like foams up. This is for cleansing, I believe. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna use, I don't know, I'm trying to figure this out. Now moving on to 5th step, that is detanning. So I have tomato here. I have this turmeric and tomato pulp. something like this. It's gonna be messy. Please do it in your washrooms, bathrooms, but not on the bed like me. You can leave this for 15 to 20 minutes or wash off after you scrub for a while. So I'm just gonna do that and be back. You can just massage like this and then wash off, or you can leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that, and then wash off. This is how my face looks after. And you can stop here, or else you can go ahead and use any moisturizer if you think it's just going to dry out your skin. Supposed to use a moisturizer, but now I feel it's a bit too much for the skin to take right now, so I'm not gonna use any moisturizer. Probably in the night I'm just gonna use the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence serum on my face, and then that should be fine, I think. It looks cleaner. My nose is shining here, it's bright. So okay, so this is it for the video. I hope you all liked it. I literally have nothing on my skin, have this clear skin. So this is it for the video. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.